Okay, here I have my my M4. Got it off airsplat.com. It is mostly metal. Let's see. This is metal. This is metal. That trigger's metal. The barrel's metal. This is plastic. This is plastic. The flip-up sights on it are metal, and the retractable stock is plastic. But it has it's electric. It's got the fully and the semi and the safety. And here's my high cap magazine for it. Came with the gun. And let's try out some little target practice here. This is a Sprite cannon that I'll be shooting at, because that's all I got pretty much. But I'm just gonna lay that right there. And this is a brute to take out, but I got it. It's also a brute to put in. May or may not need two hands. Hang on a second. Alrighty, I think it's in there. I think it is. But, let's see here. This is extremely hard to shoot with one hand. Put it on a semi right there. Prop it up. Probably will not be the best aim here. Let's see here. Oh, I gotta do this, hang on. There we go. Now, let's try this out. Yeah, and that is semi. Let me just get my magazine here. And now I will try fully. Probably less accurate than the semi, but who cares? It's fun. It's pretty fun, actually. Let's just see what it did, though. Put some nice size holes in it. It's 370 feet per second, I think, and it was only like $60, $70, somewhere around there. But like I said, it's all metal, pretty much, except for a couple parts. Retractable stock, flip up sights, and all kinds of good stuff. Yeah, I think it was a good deal. See you guys later.